me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me the main parts of a leaf?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah. No. Let her say.
Ma'am, blade, lamina, vein,
Lamina.
leaf stalk,
Hmm.
petiole.
Okay. Okay. Nareen, can you repeat again parts of the leaf?
Ma'am, blade.
Hmm.
We can also call it as lamina.
Okay.
Vein.
Okay. Hmm.
Midrib.
Okay.
Leaf stalk. We can
Okay.
also call leaf stalk as petiole.
Okay, as petiole. Very good, very good. So next, what do you mean by the root shoot? Ivan, what do you mean by shoot of a plant?
Ma'am, the part of the plant that grows above the soil.
Okay, part of the plant which grow above the soil. Okay, what do you mean by Romal? What do you mean by root of the plant?
And the part of the plant which grows below the soil.
Okay, below the soil. I think this much only we have discussed. Okay.
Yes,
So now,
ma'am. Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
Now we are moving on to
Last class I wasn't there.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. But still,
Ma'am,
you are
I
able to listen. You are able to catch. Okay. So these are the structure of the leaf, and we are moving on to the little more detail about types of leaves. Okay. Mainly, we have two types of leaves are generally. So that is one is long one, another one round one. If you look at any leaf around you, you will able to see among this all these three category. Okay.
We have to write this.
I'll tell you. Don't write which is on the slide. I'll tell you what to write. Okay. So the main thing what we have to learn is what do you mean by lamina? What do you mean by vein? These all things we did not write the notes. We just discussed. Did I give you the notes of what is lamina, what is vein, all that?
No, ma'am.
No.
You didn't give it.
Okay. So yes, that is what now we are going to learn about it. So now you have to give the heading lamina. What is lamina? That is of the first part of it. So all of you take today's date and then write the part, write the question. Not question like.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay, lamina everyone knows. Okay, what is lamina?
Ma'am, the
lamina is
green part of the leaf is called
Okay.
the lamina.
Okay, so what is lamina? The flat, please write down all of you, the flat green part of the flat green part of the leaf. So that is known as lamina. That's enough. Point wise, it's enough. No need of study like so much explanation. The flat green part of the leaf. Okay. Yeah. This is also known as blade. We can also call it as leaf blade also. Okay, children. Blade or leaf blade.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, Bilsa, did you get my activity?
Who is that?
Ma'am, Bilsa.
Bilsa, that you have to send it in the group email. Mail.
Ma'am,
Bilsa.
I can't send it, ma'am.
Yeah,
Can I
those who
show?
send, okay, I have gone through it. Yeah, I have gone
Ma'am,
through
I
it.
can't send it, ma'am, for some reason. Ma'am, can I show it in the class?
No, no, no.
Seminar.
We don't. I don't want everyone to show it in the class. Okay, only those students. What I'm telling, they have to show because it's a part of their seminar. Okay. Yes. Have you completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yeah. Next part is veins. Next part is veins.
I'm small branch.
Yeah, it's not small band. It is the narrow, we call it as narrow tap roots. The narrow tap roots on the leaf. The narrow tap roots on the leaf. They are known as veins. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
the narrow tap roots on the leaf. Okay,
Ma'am.
maybe later you will come to know what you mean by tap roots and all when you come to the root. Okay, tap root means
Ma'am,
very
taproot,
narrow, thin
fibrous
and all. Tap roots. So leaf also has a tap roots on the leaf. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Next is midrib. Yeah.
Ma'am, the
The
thick line,
midrib is the
thick taproot on the leaf.
Ma'am, middle
no,
vein.
the thick
Like,
vein.
like,
Yeah. The thick vein
And
on
the middle
which,
vein.
yeah, or thick vein on which taproot veins are formed. Taproot veins are formed.
which,
The thick vein on which taproot veins are formed at the middle of a leaf. At the middle of a leaf.
ma'am, finished.
Okay. I hope everyone completed.
Yes,
So I am
ma'am.
going to
Yes,
rub the
ma'am.
first
No,
one.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, first one all I rubbed. So next last part is leaf stalk. Yeah, leaf stalk or petiole. Leaf stalk or petiole. The
Connected to the stem.
the part to which lamina is attached. The part to which lamina is attached and
Part of the
yeah,
stem.
attached and
Part of the stem.
yeah. Lamina is attached and it is the part of the stem.
First,
Part of the stem. And it is part of the stem.
I'm finished.
Yeah. So these are the definition of each part of the leaf. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
midrib, have you completed midrib, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
Completed.
Ah.
Stop.
Okay. The next topic we are moving on to how many types of veins are there on the leaf. So that is what I told you, long leaf and round leaf. So round leaf, the vein structure is different. Long leaf, the vein structure is different. So that is what you call leaf venation. So next heading you can write leaf venation. Next heading, leaf venation. Venation means the arrangement of veins. Okay. So what do you mean by leaf venation? The arrangement of
Leaf. Leaf.
yeah. Arrangement of veins on different type of leaves, because each type of leaves you can see how they are arranged. Different type of leaf, how they are arranged according to the size and shape of the leaf.
And the
The
design
arrange-
of the veins is
Yeah,
called as
or we can say the design. The arrangement of veins on different type of leaf according to the size and shape. So you can see the leaf, the small leaf and big leaf, how well they have arranged. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Big leaf, it is so visible to us. Even you just show it far away, we will able to see the veins. But small leaf, like small plants and flowering plants and rose and all that,
Grass.
their venation is not that much visible from far away. You have to come closer. So depending upon the size and shape, the design or arrangement or design we call it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Or you can just write in bracket design of leaf.
So trees.
And you see, what you think we are getting different types of designer clothes, no? So olden times, the people used to observe the designs of the flowers, design of the leaf. That is the design we are actually imprinting on our clothes. Okay, we will get variety of clothes and variety of designs. Actually, what are you? We are imitating the structure of the leaves, structure of the flowers, structure of the colors. Yeah. Sometimes we will have a flower design on the frock. Then we will call it them floral design. Okay, leafy design. So these are the things what we human beings are looking at the nature. So that is what we should love the nature. If this nature is not there, will you able to get the floral frocks and leaf frocks? No. So
No,
we always look at, and some of them we will have this peacock feather, no? Some of the Kerala sari and Onam sari is plenty. Peacock feathers design will be there on that Kerala sari, set sari and all. And that is how, okay, these all, from where are we getting all these ideas? From the nature. Yeah, from the nature. From the plants. Plants are part of the nature, from the nature. Okay, so beautiful it is. Okay, children, now we have got two types of, on the basis of this design, we are divided the leaf venation into two. That is,
And parallel
yes. So next sentence, on the basis of design, on the basis of design, leaf venation is divided into two. The first one we call it parallel venation. So those who completed the leaf venation, yes? Yeah? See, majority videos off. Can you switch on, children? I know that only few are having network issues. Because it is not nice to see the blank board and see all those things. Huh?
Yes.
When I speak, I should see the children, no?
Ma'am, after venation, what you write, it rubbed you.
No, it is venation only. I did not write. Okay, that it was not clear. The same word I have written. Parallel venation. Which one? This one. Okay, on the top. Okay, divided. Okay. Divided into two.
on the bottom,
On the bottom,
the
arrangement of veins on different type of leaf according to the size and shape. Bracket design of leaf. Parallel venation, and another one is known as reticulate venation. These are the two types of venation: parallel venation and reticulate venation. Yeah. So, are we completed?
Yes, ma'am. Completed.
Okay. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed.
I think in your class also there was a new student, no? Who was that? Where is Ismail? Did he come today? I didn't see him.
Yes, ma'am. He came today.
Hmm.
And his video is off.
I'm in SS.
Ma'am, I have a network problem.
Who is that?
I'm Muhammad Ismail.
Okay. Jalen Aromal Shaji, Joshamal Krishna Amnanam, Telsa, Mohammed. Yeah, Ismail. Okay, Ismail, yesterday you started coming to the school. I mean, it is coming to, you started joining the Zoom. Ismail. Today. Okay. Yeah. So from which school are you coming from?
Noble International School.
No, Noble or Global? Which place?
I study in Qatar.
Oh, Qatar. Okay, it is from Qatar. And now from where are you joining the Zoom? Are you still in Qatar or in Kerala? Are you still in Qatar or you are joining the class from Kerala? I think he's have a network issues. Okay. Fine. Huh? Kerala. Okay. How many chapters covered in Qatar in your school? How many chapters you covered in 6th standard? Any idea? No. Okay. Only 3 chapters. Okay. We are now in 7th chapter. Okay. So do one thing. This one, what is that? You have completed only 3 chapters, Ismail. So since you are
Yes,
not.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. We can. Ma'am, can you share the board?
Yes. Shall I rub the board now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now you are going to see what is parallel venation and reticulate venation. Okay.
Ma'am, one more line.
Yeah, one more line. Okay, fine. Who is there to talking? Mute. Yes. So children, this is about the 2 types of venation we have. Can you see the left side? Okay. Krishnaveni, can you read the left side what I have shown here? Types of leaf venation. Under that left side I have written something. Can you read?
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
The veins in plants with fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf, which is called parallel venation.
Parallel venation. So what do you mean by parallel venation? The veins in
The
which
veins in
plants with the fibrous roots are parallel to each other. As you have seen in the long plants, especially rice plants, wheat plants, sugar cane, all these things you will see the arrangement of veins, we call it as parallel venation. So parallel venation you will be able to see. If at home, if you have a long hair, you go and check and see. There, all the veins are parallel to one another. If this is the midrib, all the veins are starting parallel to one another. As you see, as you saw on the slide, it is known as parallel venation. Okay, good. Yes?
And we should write.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, Sia, are you asking me something?
Ma'am.
No. Yeah? Who is asking?
Ma'am, Melissa is asking something.
Okay, Jelly, who is asking?
Ma'am, Melissa.
Bilsa. Yeah, Bilsa. Yes. Okay, Bilsa has brought the leaf. Is it very small? But still you can see closely. Yeah. There are slight narrow veins are there on both the side of the midrib. So you can see this is the midrib. Turn other side, Bilsa. Yeah. So this is little more clear, I think. And this leaf is little small, that is why you are not able to see, but you can see that midrib is clearly, but other things cannot see. So all these types of leaves where we have a long leaf, you will see the parallel venation. So when you are at home,
Ma'am, can you admit Naren?
okay, 1 minute. Clear. So next, can you write now? What do you mean by parallel venation, all of you? What is
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
slide? You can write.
Yes, ma'am. Parallel.
The veins in plants with the fibrous roots are parallel to each other along the length of the leaf. That is called parallel venation. So you can write parallel venation first. First thing you are learning parallel venation, and under that heading you can write about this one, okay, which I have rounded with the red ink.
Ma'am, finished.
Let everyone finish. So let me see how many are present today.
Okay, ma'am.
Romal Soni, Ajilakshmi, Prayan, Anna Rose, Nareen, Jelin Elizabeth, Parvati Sudhindran.
Ma'am, Jelly says is present.
Yeah, no, I am just looking at the board because I am not calling out your name, okay? I'm just looking at your participants list.
Okay, ma'am.
Anibama, Antlia, Naro, Savnanam, Amal Krishna, Adilakshmi, Aroma Shaji, Ashwin, Vedra Sunil, Bilsa, Devananda,
Ma'am,
Divyansh.
completed.
Yeah. Okay. Now, Amna, can you read the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
It's on the right side.
Okay, ma'am. In plants that have tap roots, the vines from a net-like design on the both sides of the leaf, which is called reticulate venation.
Okay, so this is very common because we have more round like leaves are there. So in that you can see it is just like a web structure. See web structure, why we calling net like design? Our internet are like that. One a common cable wire and in this different directions the connection goes. So that is why they are giving the name net like design. And in the net cloth also this is the design from a common point, so many branches. So that is what we call it as reticulate venation. So please copy down second one, write the heading reticulate venation and then you write this copy. Okay. In plants that have tap roots. So here we call it tap roots. On the parallel venation, the root structure, that vein structure is very narrow.
Fibrous root.
Why fibrous? It is very narrow in the long leaf. So the veins are very narrow in the long leaf. Sometimes Bilsa has showed no, it was not clear. You can only see the midrib properly, but other things are very narrow. That is why we call it fibrous root. And here tap root means you can see so many branches. So that is what you call tap root. So here tap root like veins are there.
Ma'am, completed.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So others, let them complete. Inovin is present today. I didn't see Inovin. Who is this Biju John?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritul. Sometimes your video is off, no, so I cannot make out your face. Okay, Ritul, good. Inovin, I didn't see Inovin here.
He is present.
Inovin is present?
Yes, ma'am.
Evangel, what about Evangel then? Evangel absent, correct? Fala absent. Fai is present. Fia present. Helen, Irene, Ivan. Jayakrishnan is still absent today.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the Jelins are there. Josein is there. Josha is there. Krishnaveni, Naifa, Najma. What? Prayan is there. Prayan?
Ma'am, Prayan is there.
Okay, fine. Rutul, Romal, Sachin, Shahar, Telsa, Tejas, Krishna absent, I think.
Yes, ma'am, absent.
No, okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the
Fine.
Vincent, he
Yeah.
is present.
Have you completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Adilakshmi. Ma'am.
Yeah. Adilakshmi, I think you were in the waiting room, no, for a long time. I did not see you. So you do one thing, just take the screenshot, okay? Because
Excuse me, ma'am.
others completed this part. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can I explain reticulate venation once more?
Reticulate venation. Have you seen the second leaf?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
that, look at the structure of the veins over there. How are they? From midrib, there is a main vein is going and there's a lot of branches. Okay. From each vein has a lot of branches. So this type of connection you will see in our cable TV connections are like that. One single server, but so many houses, the same cable channel, cable TV connection will be allowed. So that is why we are using here, it is the word net-like design. And another example, you must have seen the net cloth.
Yes, ma'am.
You have some of the frocks we have net. And if you look at the net, you will able to see. From each point, there will be three and more than 3 connections to the next design.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see? Suppose
Yes,
if
ma'am.
this is the net here, there will be small For example, this net has a small hole like structure. So one hole like structure to next hole like. So like that is the net cloth is made up of. Okay. Similarly, that is why the word is used net like design. In parallel venation, you will not able to see this type of veins. So here what we call fibrous root. This one we call it tap root design. So in plants that have tap roots, the veins from a net-like design on both the sides of the leaf. You can see, take it one single vein, and from the single vein you can see another branches are starting. So that is the difference between the parallel venation and reticulate venation. So all the round shape leaves have which venation? Reticulate venation.
Thank you, ma'am. Now it's clear.
All the long leaves have parallel venation. Okay, so that is the difference between the parallel venation and this thing. Okay, I think the next class we will continue with the process of functions of the leaf. So far we have only learned about the structure and type of the venation, type of the leaves. Next class, two major functions of the leaf. What is the function of the leaf in the plants? It is not only giving a beautiful texture or beautiful shape. It has other major two functions, that is we discuss in the next class, photosynthesis and transpiration. These are the two major functions of the leaves in a plant. Or this is something, the leaves are helping the plant to get food as well as to help to transport the water and nutrients. Okay, so in our first 1, 2, 3 chapters, we are talking about the how our body is taking the nutrients in the form of minerals, carbohydrates, and similarly the plant also will have this type of nutrients in their body. Who will transport all those things? One of the things what will transport is leaf, then stem, then root. So each edible part of the plant has a particular function. Then only the plant can grow. Okay, so we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so next class, Naifa, Najma, Narendran, Narin, be ready. Clear? So Naifa, get the help from Amna and then do it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Welcome, children.